A day, it's getting wild. Oh, it's getting really windy and the rain keeps coming on and off, and these ferrets are not, the rabbits just aren't rolling, so hi guys, welcome back. I'm here with Rocco and we're going to try and catch something with him. I'm not confident, but you never know. We've also got Lyra and we've got a new little male Harris, so we'll give him a go. But let's hope Rocco can switch himself on a bit because we're getting a bit lost to him. Let's go. Good morning. I'm here with Rocco. And there was a pheasant got up and it went in this long grass. So I'm trying to see if I can burst it. So we're giving Rocco another chance. Oh, as much as I want to sack him, I think he deserves a chance. But there's got to be something in here. He was a wee bit lighter today, he's 110.5. So it means he won't have as much energy, but he should be a wee bit more keen. Let's try and cross this. Right. Get him vlogging. Come on, come here. Honestly. Yep, we should have brought Connie. But he's had a chance today already, a couple of chances today already. And at least to say he hasn't took them. Come on. Yeah, he's been a wee bit of a dick. Yeah, he's not took his chance. A pheasant got up right at my feet and he kind of half-heartedly took off after it and peeled off after 5 seconds. And then a rabbit got up, which he just took off after and landed up a tree. So it's so weird because you're out with him and he'll bang into a woodcock and he'll catch a pheasant, and then the next time nothing like that happens. So it's so hard to gauge what it is with him. Because we've tried them at different weights and we've tried them on different quarry, easier flights, we've fed him rabbit, he's had pheasant, he's had everything. I just don't know what it is with him. Don't know where this pheasant, I'm sure it is in here. Oh, legs are sore today. It's been a long week. I'm sure it was in here. And it wouldn't have went far afterwards. Some rabbit burrows over there as well. But the issue is it would just sit so tight. And I need to stand on it before it will get up. So, I think I'm just going to get Lyra out because I can't walk through that. Oh, God's sake. Well, that's me bloody soaked and my hands bogging. God damn it. Let's go and get Lyra. So I've got Lyra out. I need to get her leash off the orange thing, and you can see the little bullet dresses on her. So I take them off, and then she has anklets already on. They're cable tied on, which is handier because you're not needing to put actual flying jerseys on because they're already on. So I take the bullet jerseys off, and then I put her telemetry on and her bell. But you need to watch with her because she can be a wee bit grabby. So I make sure I pull her things nice and tight so she can't actually get her foot up enough to fucking grab you. There we go. All right. You all good? That gets turned on with a little magnet onto there. Basically, the double beep you just heard means the battery's about to die. But that's me all kitted up, and we're gonna head over and see if we can get a rabbit. Probably change the battery though. That's me just got up to the ferreting spot. There's burrows everywhere. We're just sorting one of the ferret collars, and then we'll do some ferreting. Well, I'm going to walk this grass and see if I can kick a rabbit up or a hare or something whilst we wait on the ferrets, because there's no point in standing there doing nothing. So there must be something sitting out. Let's have a look. You go. On you go. Ah! On you go again. Is that way? Just right there. Yes guys, we got a flight. Oh, that was a good flight as well. The rabbit got up when it jucked her, it got back up and ran round, and she just missed it. Oh, I'm so glad we got a flight, but oh, she was close as well. Let's go and see if we can't kick another one up. The ferrets are still in. Did you see it? Was she close? I seen the first bit and then.
But she stopped here and kept running. The time she got up.
Ah, right, okay. Right. I know. Well, maybe she wasn't as close as I thought, but the first bit she was really close. But that really lifted. That's what lifts your spirits. Just a little bit of excitement. Stop baiting, come on. Settle down. Don't know why she's doing that. I need to wipe my camera, so let's go and see if we can kick one up. Oh! Go down to there where that hare went, see if we can flush that, and then we'll go over and then we'll walk up and then we'll come back and ferret because these. There's a rabbit. Barnum. Barnable.
Oh, excited.
Maybe I had pneumonia. We kicked one more up and she was really close, and then just as she was chasing it, like tailing it through the reeds, it chucked her again and then got up into a hole. Sorry, the wind's really picking up, man. It's messing with my microphone. But yeah, she's had 3 good flights so far, and we've just came back. We're still waiting on Winnie. We've just came back to get the other ferrets, and we're going to try a couple of these burrows, see if we'll get into the bolt. They just don't really seem to want to bolt, so it's an issue. It's a big issue, but hopefully we can move on and get some more flights. That's the main thing. But it's a bit windy, and then the rain's going on and off as well, so just try and make the most of it. And again, I just don't think it's her day. The rabbits just don't want to bolt, and we've had 3 flights and we've kicked all them up, so they just don't seem to want to bolt, and the ferrets are just killing them and chasing them around in these massive warrens, so we're kind of stuck. That's what I'm thinking. This just isn't going our way today. The other ferret's now down as well, and my dad still has the ferret finder trying to track the other one. So one of our rabbits snuck out there into the reeds, and I lost it. And so there must be a little sneaky hole somewhere. But I'd hope it would have ran. But this ferret's now down as well, and it's not showed for about 10 minutes. So I don't know whether these burrows are too big or if the ferrets are just pish. But honestly, and you can't even dig them out. It's not as if, oh, we're digging 2 foot, we're digging 3 foot, oh, we've got it back. They're like 10 foot, 16 foot, and it's like, would you actually do? So that's where we're at the moment. The wind's really picking up now. You can probably hear a little muffle. I don't know how to avoid that, but the wind's really picking up. The rain's kind of spitting, so hopefully it doesn't get any more than what it already is, or we might need to call it a day. You can see the reeds there blowing. You can probably hear the noise. It's one of the days, I think. Well guys, we're going to call it a day. It's getting wild. Oh, it's getting really windy, and the rain keeps coming on and off, and these ferrets are not, the rabbits just aren't rolling, so it's about 2:30. We're just going to knock in the head, because we're going to end up being here later than again we're going to be here till like 5, which we don't want. So I'm going to feed her up on the way back, just to give her a little bit of exercise, and we're going to get these ferrets and then we'll knock it in the head. I'll catch up with you when I'm back at the car, but it's way too windy to talk. Well guys, that's me back at the car. Yeah, we had to knock it in the head, man. There was just nothing going our way, and the wind was just picking up like crazy. So I've just brought Lyra back. We're still waiting on the ferrets, so I'm going to walk back over and help them get out. Help my mum and dad get the ferrets out. But yeah, I mean, we've had a good few flights, a good few chases out the reeds. We've bolted like 10 rabbits, but the ferrets go down for 40 minutes and then the rabbits hole up, so it's no use. The warrens are just way too big here, man. They must be 100 years old, and there's just no chance of them wanting to actually running, but they're definitely there. That's the issue. So it's a hard place to ferret for hawks. But we kicked a good few up in the reeds. We also seen a hare which she chased, and it just disappeared in the reeds as she went to go down on it, and then she went up the post and the hare snuck away. So she had redirected her attention, and the hare snuck off. But yeah, we've been out for a good few hours. Managed to find a wee break in the weather, and great. So yeah, that's Lyra. She's coming on well. In the aviary, she's a wee bit aggressive, a wee bit thingy, but a wee bit possessive. But out in the field, she's a completely different character. But you could tell that she hasn't been out in the like a heavy wind much, because she didn't like being on the fist. She couldn't get comfortable, and even though I hold her Jessie's so like loose so she can move her feet, she still wasn't really liking it. So she just kept baiting and baiting and baiting. So it's not really great for her. But we had Rocco out for a bit. We put a hen pheasant up, and a hare and a rabbit, and he took off after them all, and then 5 seconds later pulled off. Stop. So that's been today. It's been a good wee day. Gets them out, gets a bit of fitness, gets us a bit of fitness, and yeah, keeps things moving. So thank you to everyone that's tuned in. I hope you've all enjoyed, and if you want to see more content like this, then make sure you subscribe and you like the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.